Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today it's another handheld game console unboxing video. Yeah, this series so long, I've just put it into the unboxing series. So yeah, today we got this Game Boy, which is in yellow. I have wanted this Game Boy for so long. It's original Game Boy, if I'm not wrong, and it got this, Pikachu-ish yellow. Yeah, my English sucks, but yeah, I really like this kind of yellow, and yeah, I've always wanted a Game Boy. So yeah, that's my third Nintendo handheld console. My first is Switch, second one is the NDS, and the third one is this Game Boy. So yeah, let's take a look at this Game Boy. So this is the Nintendo Game Boy Teamwork, and here's the docked matrix with stereo sound. I know what's that, but yeah, here's the battery. And is this off-centered? Like the screen is off-centered? I'm not really sure, but yeah. And here's the button, D-pad. Yeah, D-pad. I forgot the name almost. So here's the A and B button, start and select. And I believe there's a speaker. We got this headphone jack right here, which is better than iPhone 14 that doesn't come with a 3.5mm headphone jack. Apple. Yeah, let's take a look at side. It's the volume button. Not a button, but a scroll wheel, and it's the external connector. I have no idea how do I open this. Yeah, I would just keep it there. And here's the let me contrast scroll wheel. Yeah, and here's the use only. I don't know what's these. I believe this serial number, model number is DMG01. I have no idea what's that. It's made by 1989 Nintendo. Yeah, it's a like 33 years old console. So it's really good and it's still working. Let's take a look at here. So it needs 4 AA batteries. I use this GP supercell instead of poke cells. I'm not in Aussie, okay, so I don't have poke cells. And I've got a copy of Super Mario Land 2 6. Let me check. Let me check on my MacBook right here. 6 golden coins. Yeah, Super Mario 2 6 golden coins. So yeah, I made a video about my game collections. I mean, recent game picks up. So you have to check that out. It's very nice. So yeah, let's put this in. Okay, it's in, and let's boot her up. Oh wait. Okay. Okay, don't tell me it's broken. I can see it like an hour here. Don't tell me it's broken. So let me do something real quick. Let me get this out. Okay. I hope it works. Nintendo, yeah, finally. Oh, you can hear it. Let me put her up again. Yeah, this dun dun sound. So yeah, here's the menu of this thing. Let me is there any like this? Okay, let me yeah, I think you see this better. So yeah, let's start this. Let's first start. You can see a reflection of my phone. So yeah, let's play like this. So it's basically normal Mario games. No way I died. No way. Bruh, that's a big bruh. Okay, I can get this mushroom. That's how 90s kids game, okay? Unlike now, you can game on your mobile phone. Come on, 1989, they're still using brick phones. Okay, let me okay. This song's catchy, but not as classic as the like. Oh, not as classic as the like. What's the original song? Of Mario. Like, I forgot. Oh my gosh, I forgot what's this melody of that. No. I forgot. I got brainwashed by this one. So yeah, let's beat this level. Oh, I don't have to like. Okay, so let's go over it. Okay, easy. And yeah, we finished this dingus. We finished the first level. So yeah, that's much it. Thank you guys for watching this boring Nintendo Game Boy unboxing video. And yeah, overall I really like the grip of this thing. It's fake, but it's just perfectly like good for my hands. I know how to say it, my English sucks. So yeah, that's much it. Come on, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.